Alright, so this video is to show you how to do an animation. Let me show you one that was done already. So this one is awesome. She did an amazing job. So it's a Google Slides, right? But they are like changing a little bit by a little bit by a little bit by a little bit. She made her character with shapes. But if you go to File, Publish to the Web, and you publish it, then you copy this link and you go to a new tab and you just put that link in there. Now it says 3,000. The shorter this number is at the end, the faster the slides will advance. So let's see what putting a 30 in there will do to this animation. So it's going a little bit too fast. I wouldn't want to make that number at the end longer to go slower. But what she did was she used screencastify on top of this to record her like a background music, or you could put like your voice behind it and create an animation like a cartoon. And that's basically how you do it. But I'll run through it a little bit slower for you. So like let's say you want to create a new Google Slides. Give it a background that's an image. And then you can search cartoon, landscape, trees, grass. All right, so you choose one of these. You're like, that's beautiful. It's going to be the background. And then there's some way to apply that. Well, you don't really have to, because when you duplicate, you're going to duplicate from there. So you go over here and then you hit this handy dandy button called Explore. If you don't want to make your character out of shapes, which some people have been super creative, made awesome. You search over here with that little star thing, and a lot of these, when you drag them in, will not have edges. So let's say you choose your character, and it kind of looks like Donald Duck's Stormtrooper. And he's here. See how he doesn't have edges, and so you can move around. So click up here and Control D as in dog. It's going to duplicate that. Then you move him a little bit. And over here, you click over here, Control D, duplicate it again, and you move it again. And it takes a long time, but you can do some cool stuff. You can add a call out and like be hello, I am here to teach you about ancient Egypt. The empire. The evil empire will endure. Well, I guess we should change that to Mesopotamia, because they were more of the evil empires. Egypt was pretty much unified for a long time. So then you'd like duplicate that slide for a bunch of times so that when you were playing it, it would actually last. Or you could just have it once and then use the arrow keys. You can go pretty fast with the arrow keys when you're recording. Yeah. And then I would come back here, duplicate that, drag it, drop it here, and then let's say he would start exiting. Control D, move him out. Control D. You can rotate a little bit. Come out and rotate. Click. Control D. Move out. Now the trick is to add educational content with making a cartoon. Some students did an amazing job. In previous years. And then let's see what this looks like, shall we? So let's just go to the first slide and hit present. And I'm going to hit the right arrow. And it looks like he's moving, right? So let's say I come in here and I'm like, and I do a screencast or screencastify, like background music or something. Hello, I'm here to teach you about ancient Mesopotamia. The evil empire will endure. Yeah. And so that's how you make your cartoon